Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about this command xxd, make a hex dump or do the reverse, and I'll focus on this option I, output in C, include file style. You can take a look in the manual. It has many options and it is pretty convenient. It has many applications when it comes to hex dump. So let me show an example. Here we have some pretty simple picture example BMP. Let's do something with it. So here is the image, and with I option to output in C file header, the name of the picture and the file, and the name of the output header file. And here we have generated code array of unsigned chars, each of them hexadecimal code, and the last line is the length of the array, so it's pretty easy generated with this command. And here I just made a simple loop that iterate over the array and print on the console. So let me show what I mean. So here we have the code from the header. It has many applications. If you have some recommendations, please let me know in the comment below. That's all for this video. Until next time, bye bye.